Hey, Sven Rafferty here with Svenontech. Got the review on the Alpine navigation system here in the NVE-M300 and we'll just go to it. If you tap the visual, here it comes. One of the things that's really annoying about this, accept. There we go, finally. Yes, it's kind of holds off on the accepting thing. Probably part of it wants you to read it, but we're also finding that other taps, as you can see, I'm tapping map, I am not tapping home, doesn't really work very well. So we're going to try this again. Say menu, map, there we go, and the map finally comes up. As you can note, we have coordinates and not a street name because I'm technically not on the street. I am in the Lowe's parking lot. And I kind of dig that. That tells you where your coordinates are. When you are on a street, however, it will tell you here your street and even the city you're in, which is very appreciated when you're traveling long distances and you wonder, just what city am I in? Well, it will tell you what city you're in. You can see the flashing volume going blinking because I have it on 0, essentially muted. If I put it to 1, it will disappear. You can zoom in your map if you like. There you go, there's a little nice zoom. We'll zoom back out. And it refreshes the screen fairly well in a fairly timely manner. And here we'll move out into this bird's eye view of Highway 12. I am here in Lodi on Kettleman, if you're wondering. And if you just tap anywhere on the screen, it will change you into a different orientation as well as show me where I tapped onto. Give you a better idea of where you are. Pushing the little icon I just pushed, put you back in bird eye view. Here you can bring up your menus for the W505 if you'd like. Go ahead and put as escape. We'll go back into the menu of the GPS. You can have your info screen, dashboard, which is actually pretty sweet when you're driving and gives you some information about your car, your driving average overall, your current speed, and so forth. GPS gives you information about how many GPSs are out there and you're attached to, and so forth. And then system information and so forth, which is kind of nice. Gives you even an 800 number to call if you need tech support while you're out and about. Pretty slick. Then you also have your home, which will, if programmed, take you home, and then your go-to, take you to the place you want to go. Here's your configuration. You can configure your display environment. You can change your menu color. You can change your menu color, your screen position. So tapping to recalibrate, your tapping of your finger for the recalibration and adjustments, kind of like the old days of moving it up and left and right on your old computers. And you have your navigation. You can change route buttons to ETA distance. And if you push here, it'll show you what other ones you get: remaining time, direction to the destination. You get a full map guidance system, or you can choose to have arrow only. You have route of method, quickest method, or shortest method. You can also say avoid freeways, avoid tolls, and other areas of interest. You can scroll down and find other things such as route of unverified roads if possible. So if they're unverified, it will still show you in the auto zoom. So when you come into an intersection, it will zoom on that. You have some regional and restore the defaults if you so choose to go in that direction. So that completes your settings. Go to is kind of cool. You can do address, history, or places, or intersections, or even coordinates. So if you have GPS coordinates, it will take you to the GPS coordinates, which is pretty darn cool. We can do places. You can say from here or from a city center. We'll say from here. We can do by name, and we'll go by name. The keyboard is in alphabetic order, which personally I don't like. I prefer the QWERTY setup because that's how I type on a keyboard, so I find myself hunting and picking a lot. I'm just going to say in and see what happens when we do in, and there we go. Hey, in and out. We're going to go ahead and tap it. And you may notice that a lot of times tapping doesn't work on this. This is probably due to the 505, though I'm not noticing on any other soft buttons in the 505 do I have this issue at all, so I'm not sure why it happens here. So it tells you right here, and it's right back basically where we're parked, and that would be because you could see the, maybe not in and out right over there. Yep, that's because in and out's right over there. And then you can say go, or you can say options, find nearest places, change methods, save to the address book, and so forth, or even say set as home if you wanted to, and then you could do that if you wanted to, but we're not actually going to do that. We're just going to get out of here, and get out of here, and get out of here, and then we'll just go back to map to take us back, and as you see, hit map again. I'm learning using your fingernail is a better method for tapping onto this, since so often you get missed taps, which makes for an issue when you're at an intersection or something where you need to be rushed and take care of map entry quickly, and it doesn't work. Another annoying thing is if you do want to get back to your radio, your system, it's kind of difficult to do it with this little menuing style here. It takes a while for it to come up, and again, pushing the button, here we go, I'm pushing the button, doesn't always bring it up, and it's just really annoying and really unfortunate. So what can you do but just play with use your fingernail to position away. I'm Sven Rafferty, and thanks for doing the quick review here of the navigational unit from Alpine. Get the full review at svenontech.com. That's SVENONTECH.com.